How to activate your Tesco Bank credit card online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily activate your Tesco Bank credit card account online. So first thing first, just head over to any web browser and simply search in for tescobank.com and you will redirect you to this page over here. So let me just quickly show you the steps as well. So once you tap on the first link, you will be redirected to this page and you can just tap on this login icon at the top right corner. If you haven't created an account already, you can always tap on the register button over here to successfully create a new one. Or if you already have an existing account, you can always click on login and make sure you have successfully logged into your account. And once you do all of that, just tap on this menu button over here and just locate the option after logging in, that is manage cards. So you should see such options after logging in, and after entering your card details, just select your new credit card and click on activate card and confirm your details. So once you confirm your details, just click on done and your Tesco Bank credit card is now activated and ready to use. You can also actually download the Tesco Bank mobile app to activate and check balance and manage the payments on the go. So I hope that video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.